We got a call today on a Thursday from Joseph, aka El Pollo. We got to do a small job for him. We have to do a wheel swap, so pretty much he has another set of wheels and tires off the vehicle, and then we're removing the ones that are currently on the vehicle and swapping them out. I'm about to load up a jack, impact, the basics, and head over his way. Dímelo, John Cena.
Tengo uno allá también.
Oh, dale también. Stage 5. Si no.
Sud. Bota. Vamos a salvarle al pollito.
This address first. This is where the wheels are at. We're going that extra mile for chicken. I think the two addresses he sent me wasn't too far away from each other, so it's cool. He's not sending us to steal some wheels, cause then and now we're gonna take the heat. Fuck it. About to pick up these wheels for him.
Sukiri. Y sabes que tienen la verde de darnos un tiro ahora.
What's up, my brother? What's up, brother? Okay, never mind. I see him. I got him. They're in the back, right? Yep. Yeah. All right, sounds good, brother. Canosarito. Wisconsin weather, they frozen. What the hell these bad boys in?
Vamos allá. Oh. Ciérralo. Ready, locked and loaded.
Off to slap the wheels on the car now. ¿Qué tenemos? 0.6, 0.5 miles. Un pumping. Nice. About to get ready. Y fuga. The Beamer. It's nice. Oof. Oh, flatty.
Se jodió, vamos a jugarla aquí. Parte de un crimen.
These are off. Stocky's back on. Checking the air pressure. Good to go. These things come in handy. I gotta carry a compressor. None of that good stuff. Just battery y fuga. And we're done with this job. Put back our tools. Madrigal Tools, hit him up. He sells all of this Milwaukee stuff. A little quick rim swap, wheel swap, whatever it is you want to call it. Good to go. You know, it should be fine. They got cameras here too. Beautiful. 5-0 no dura mucho, amigo. Ya está. Little rim swap, wheel swap completed. Now the customer gets to come and not have to worry about the flat tire, especially on this weather. You don't want to deal with it. So if you ever need something like this done, hit us up. We also have a mobile service truck with everything to change a tire. So let's say he didn't have a backup set of wheels, we'd bring the truck, a tire, either a used one or new one, whatever he'd like, and then swap it out here at his house. Obviously there is a fee for that. It's kind of more of a flat rate fee if it's within the area. Green Bay, De Pere, around here the west side of Schwabenland, it's just more of a flat rate. Anything outside, then obviously we charge a different fee. But yeah,
we make it happen.
Make it happen quick.
Hell yeah.
Quick in and out. So hit us up, 920-471-7558 in Green Bay, Appleton, 920-888-6891.